Om Sakti. Guruvadi Saranam, Tiruvadi Saranam. On Friday, the 5th of June 2020, Vaikasi Paurnami Puja was excellently held at the Melmaruvattur Adi Parasakti Siddhar Pedam. The rootstock and anchor of Melmaruvattur Adi Parasakti spiritual movement, Arul Thiru Bangaru Amma, ascended at the Siddhar Pedam. His lotus feet graced the minds of crores of people with devotion and spiritual and charity ethics. Amma first circumambulated and prayed to the destroyer of evils, Adarvana Bhadrakali. At the same time, she also prostrated before the compassionate mother Adi Parasakti. Let us now dive into the ocean of knowledge given by Amma on the significance of this full moon day and its various polygonal energy centers or chakras. 1. Even though the water plant lotus emanates from mud, its flower blossoms beautifully on the surface of water. The lotus leaf does not retain water on it. Even though there are many slushy problems in family life, your soul should remain aloof and pure like the lotus flower, and it should not drown in the bondage of attachment like the water on the lotus leaf. 2. The lotus leaves will not sustain drinking liquid, but it will not allow solid food to slip. In the same way, when we are involved in family life, we must never allow good principles and virtues to slip from our mind. Evil thoughts should leave the minds of family members just like the liquid which slips from the lotus leaf. It is necessary to accept the 5 elements of nature, associate with them in the right way, and appreciate their goodness. 3. Today, everybody wants to reap benefits without hard work, without facing any hardship, with an extravagant nature, with high levels of expectations, and with a poisonous nature. If the above norms do not change in man, all prayers are in vain. On the full moon day, the place of worship exhibited different polygons with beautifully arranged Kamakshi lamps, Om Sakti lamps, earthen lamps, trident lamps, and Amman lamps. The lunar eclipse began at 11:15 pm on the 5th of June on the full moon day and lasted up to 2:34 am on the 6th of June. The eclipse lasted for 3 hours and 18 minutes. There was a special chakra signifying the lunar eclipse. Let us go into the details of the special chakra now. The exterior of this chakra was circular. It depicted the circular cosmos, the universe, and composed of all the Milky Ways with thousands of stars, our planet Earth with its sun family of 9 planets. This is something we should mainly focus on. Circle means revolution, the queen of all shapes. Circle is the cause of many changes. Inside the circle was an octagonal polygon. This octagon represents a number of qualities such as the 8 forms of Lakshmi, 8 directions, 8 auspicious objects, 8 forms of prosperity, the 8 guardians of the 8 directions, 8 powers called the Ashtama Siddhis. From our forefathers and ancestors, we learn that this form brings with it all the advantages of the divine qualities it depicts. Inside the octagon is a 4-sided, square-shaped figure. These 4 sides were said to reflect the 4 qualities of the 4 Aeons, 4 types of lands, the 4 Vedas, the desirable objects, and our 4 internal qualities such as the mind, intellect, will, and ego. Next, we see the diamond-shaped chakra structure within the square. This figure has 4 sides too. Although all sides are of the same length, their corners and diagonals are different. This chakra is more powerful. Just as the diamond's light dispersion is very radiant, this diamond chakra's scattering of light and sound are also stronger and more powerful. There was also an inner triangular shaped figure within this rhombus or diamond shape. The triangle itself means 3 sides. The basic structure of the cosmos we are part of starts with an equilateral triangle. Further, the number 3 is depicted in the methods of Siddhas, myths, and devotional literature as 3 periods of time, 3 qualities, 3 major professions, and the central theme of the 3-dimensional image of the universe. In the center of the equilateral triangular form, Mother Adiparasakti was seated in the form of a lamp, that is Jyoti, showering her blessings through the lamp worship on this full moon day. The president of the Melmarvattur Adiparasakti spiritual movement, Tirumadi Amma, lit the main lamp installed at the center of the circular chakra and initiated the lamp puja. The 5 faces of the lamp symbolize the 5 elements of nature, and oils used for lighting the lamp symbolize our thoughts. We should practice the path of righteousness at any stage. In the agricultural land, the yield is eaten by insects and also by birds. The wind destroys it as well. In spite of all this, the farmer brings the harvest to the people. No matter how much suffering you undergo, you need to practice the path of Dharma. This should be the most important thought in our mind. 5 lotus leaves were placed around the main lamp, installed in the center, and 5 pebbles painted in 5 colors representing 5 elements of nature were placed on the lotus leaves. The significance of the lotus leaf was, whatever problems and miseries come our way, we should face them without any attachment, like the water on the lotus leaf. When the mountain breaks and stones roll down, they lose their sharpness and become smooth pebbles. In the same way, when man comes out of his sufferings due to various life experiences, he becomes a seasoned person. This was a symbolization of the pebbles. The pebbles and the lotus leaves were arranged in accordance with the graceful instructions of the mother, which adds more significance to this arrangement. Let us all pray to Annai that we all humans lead our lives embracing the principles of the lotus leaf and the pebbles. Om Sakti.